Hi everyone, with me today I have this cordless electric spin brush. It is absolutely incredible and it is rechargeable. As you can see right here, it has a little corner for a silicone hideaway and you can go ahead and plug it in. They even send you the cable to recharge it as well. And this little device is awesome for cleaning all sorts of different places in your house. So let's break down each one of the attachments. As you can see, there's a total of 4 plus a little cover as well. So let's break it down. First up, we have the nylon brush. This one is great for cleaning flat tiles, floors, and glass. We also have 2 different sponges. As you can see, this one has a rougher surface, which is the green one, and the other one smooth all the way around. The smooth one is great for cleaning bowls, glasses, sinks, and other objects like that, while this one is a little bit thicker and it adds more friction so it can clean pot surfaces, wall surfaces, and glass doors. You're also going to have this super thick one. Now this one is definitely for things that are tougher stains, so you want to be careful while using this, but really get to it when it comes to pot bottoms or stoves. This one gets all that dirt and grease right out. And lastly, we also have this little addition which you can put on top of the brush, which is a little great cleaning rag. I absolutely love this set, and I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can just connect this. As you can see, there's the backing right there, so you're just going to align it and push it in and it's ready to go. You have one button to turn it on, and look at that, it starts to spin. Super easy to use and definitely allows you to clean so many different surfaces. I urge you to get this kit. I found mine on Amazon, so go check it out.